So we just got to our RV site and we wanted to share with you guys our top handful of outdoor products that aren't necessarily required, but it makes the experience a lot more enjoyable.
Right, like this recycled plastic outdoor rug. So we're gonna set up our patio and we'll get to it.
Let's go. First up on the list are folding chairs. Since you're typically limited on storage in your RV, these fold down in one motion and store just about anywhere, and give you a whole different way to relax while you're on vacation. Up next is a patio rug. This is great, especially if you don't have a concrete RV pad, as it'll help keep the interior of your RV a little bit cleaner by capturing the dirt. Up next are electric scooters. Not all properties allow golf carts, and these are foldable, store just about anywhere, and help you get all around the property with ease. The next RV patio essential is an inflatable lounge chair. This is highly portable, very compact, and all you need is a little bit of air to fill these up. I'm not very good at it, but I know somebody who is. Up next are LED clip-on lights. These are great, you don't have to worry about batteries, they're charged by the sun. It gives you just enough light on your patio without potentially disturbing a neighbor. Sixth on our essential list applies to us dog owners out there is a dedicated TieOut. A dedicated TieOut's great to keep on hand, you always know where it is, you're not fumbling for a leash, and of course it limits how far your dog can go. Keeping with the same theme is a camp dog bed. It's very portable, foldable, water resistant, and it's our poodle's favorite place to stay when we're out on the road. Those were our top outdoor essentials.
And if you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more.
See you next time.